This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9. It says, proclaim ye just amongst the Gentiles with good war. Wake up the mighty man, plow all up in the war, draw near. This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 10. It reads, it says, beat your plowshares and swords and the money hooks and the spears, and let the weak say, I'm strong. Shalom, first and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Bukakadash. Shalom to the Houthis, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa. I say shalom. And this is a lesson that I'm going to bring out from marketwatch.com from the Associated Press, published January 4th, 2024 at 4:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time by the Associated Press, and it reads, as we continue to see the escalations over there in the Red Sea heating up, it says the Houthis, which is an Iranian-backed, launched a drone to attack ships in the Red Sea, hours after U.S. Israel's final blow. It says from Washington, it says an armed unnamed surface vessel launched from the Houthis controlled Yemen. It says got a couple of miles of the U.S. Navy controlled vessels in the Red Sea before detonating on Thursday. Just hours after the White House and a host of partner nations issued a final warning to the Iranian-backed militant groups to cease attacks or face potential military action. It says Vice Admiral Brad Cooper, the head of the U.S. Navy operations in the Middle East, which is Western Asia, said it was the first time the Houthis have used an unnamed surface vessels or USV since the harass of commercial ships in the Red Sea began after the outbreak of the Israel-Hamas war. They have, however, used them in years past. Hence, a mission expert and research fellow at the International Institute of Strategic Studies, said the USV are a key part of the Houthis' maritime arsenal and use. It says were used during a previous battles against the Saudi coalition forces that intervened in Yemen's war. They have regularly been used as a suicide drone boats that exploded upon the impact. It says most of the Houthis' USVs are likely assembled in Yemen, but often fitted with components made in Iran, such as computerized guide systems. Hence said, it says at the U.S. It says at the United Nations, U.S. Deputy Ambassador Christopher Boone said a emergency security council meeting on Wednesday that Iran has supplied the Houthis with money in advance for the systems, including drones and attack cruise missiles and ballistic missiles. He said Iran has been deeply involved in planning and Houthis attacks on commercial vessels in the Red Sea. Once again, Joel chapter 3, verse 10, beat your plowshares and swords and booty hooks at the spears, and let them be say I'm strong. Joel 3, verse 9, proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near. So with that, hopefully this lesson is edifying of this recent news article. With that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Bukakadash. Shalom to the Houthis, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa. Until next time, say shalom.